Right, as you can see, my mini lathe and my big lathe, I've stripped this one down and cleaned all of this, taken it apart, cleaned all of this, taken the cover off, cleaned everything, hoovered, polished it, rubbed this all down to get rid of the rust. You should do this about twice a year, maybe. This is my mini lathe, and I'm just doing the same here. As you can see, I've taken this one apart, cleaned it, rubbed this down, oiled it, and I've got the inside here. This is what it all looks like, and you can take it all apart and you can clean it, rub it down, oil it and clean it when you use it next time. And then all you do is put it all together, which is easy. You just do this. That's it.
What is in there? A bit of Vaseline?
Yes, a bit of Vaseline in there. And
petroleum jelly.
That goes in there. And it's quite a tight fit. And in here you will see a ring. And that's where the grub screw goes. So that Vaseline, that goes in there. You can see that's going back in. Oops. Now let's, do this. I will stop it just because it's